digital clutter. I mean, digital clutter is really annoying because it's everywhere. And we know that these tech companies designed our devices to be addictive, and it's almost impossible to resist. What I have come up with is I lock my device at a certain time into this little safe, and it can't come out before the time is up. You can do so also with chocolate and other temptations, but I feel personally that for me, it's best to just lock my phone inside. Because, yeah, I mean, to just put it aside, your brain still knows it's there. And then if something comes up, you're thinking like, oh, maybe I should check. If it's locked in there, my brain realizes there's nothing I can do. So we really have to treat digital addiction like an addiction. There are people out there working full time just to make us more addicted. And I think the only way to withstand is by expanding the time window we spend without our devices screen free. There's so many studies that show that screen time is linked to poor mental health. And it's so easy to get sucked in. I think anybody who has a normal brain with a dopamine system knows how hard it is